single leg RDL with a knee drive. You are going to hold a dumbbell in one hand, and then you're going to shift your weight onto the opposite foot. So when my foot is contacting the ground, I want there to be equal distribution between my toes, the ball of the foot, and the heel, the inside and the outside of my foot. Basically making my center of mass nice and centered over top of that foot. I don't want any toe gripping on the ground, and I don't want any rocking back and forth on the foot like this. When you shift your balance over to this side, you are then going to keep this back leg nice and straight, hinge and push your hips back as you lower the load down. You should have a soft bend in this knee so that you can stay balanced over top of that foot, like so. Once you get to your end range of motion, which is usually at or right below that knee level, with that back leg extended, you are going to exhale as you stand up and drive this knee forward towards your chest. Hinging at the hips by pushing the hips back, allowing a soft bend in the knee, reaching back with your other leg, exhaling and coming forward. And then you're going to go in for another rep and continue this series until you have reached the programmed number of reps for this exercise, and then go ahead and switch to do it on the other side.